Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to cover how to divide whole numbers by mixed numbers. And we have two examples that we're going to go through together in order to get this down. Now the steps that we're going to use to solve these problems are at the top of the screen. So let's jump into number 1, where we have 8 divided by 2 1/2. So the first step we have to take is convert any mixed numbers or whole numbers to fractions. Now, to convert whole numbers into fractions, you just do, oh, my bad guys, you just do 8, 1, like this. Now it's a fraction, and we can go over to our second mixed number, who we're gonna convert to an improper fraction. So, to convert this one, we have to do a bit of, I think, 2 or 3 steps we have to take. We have to multiply first, and then add the top one. So we multiply our whole number by our denominator, and then we add the 1. So 2 times 2 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5. So our numerator is now 5. 5. And our denominator stays the same. So now we have turned them into improper fractions. Now we can start dividing these. So to divide two fractions, we use the method keep, switch, flip. This means we're gonna keep the first fraction. I'm gonna write these down for you guys. Keep the first fraction, switch the dividing sign, switch, and we're gonna flip the second fraction. So this looks a bit like this. So we keep the first fraction, we switch the dividing sign, and we flip the second fraction, like this. Now we have 8 fifth. 2 fifth instead of 5 second. So what we're now going to do is we're just going to multiply these two. So we can do 8 times 2. This equals 16. 16. Now 1 times 5, and we keep the 5. So this will be our fraction. Now we're gonna do the last step of simplifying the fraction. So the first thing we look for is, do we have any whole numbers in our fraction? We don't, but can we make whole numbers? So we can look, how many times does 5, our denominator, fit into 16? Well, 5 times 3, 5 times 3 equals 15. So we can fit 5 3 times into 16. So we get 3 whole numbers. So we get a 3. And of course, we have 1 left. So this will be our final simplified answer. Because we can't simplify this any further, this will be our final simplified answer of the first example. So we're going to go over to the second example once I clean the space a bit up. So now I clean this space up, we can go to our second example where we have 12 divided by 1 1/3. So again, the first step is we convert all of our numbers, whole numbers and mixed numbers, to fractions. So for whole numbers, we just do like this, and for the mixed numbers, we do 2 steps. We multiply by the denominator and then add the numerator. So 3 times 1 equals 3, plus 1 equals 4. So we get a numerator of 4, and we keep our denominator. So what we do now is we do the 3 steps over here. Keep, switch, and flip. So we keep the first one, we switch the dividing sign, and we flip this fraction around. So let's move this a bit to the side so we can do this. So we keep the first one, we switch to multiplication, and we flip our second fraction, 3/4. So now it's just a matter of multiplying again. So now we do 12 times 3. Let's move this a bit to the left actually, so we have a bit more space. 12 times 3 equals 36. Now 1 times 4 equals 4, of course. So this will be our fraction. Now for the last step, we're gonna simplify. So the first thing we do is we look for any whole numbers. We don't have any, so we're gonna look at how many times does 4 fit into 36. Well, 4, let's do it like this. 4 times 10 equals 40. So with this information, we can find out how much 4 times 9 is. We just do 40 minus 4, and then we have 4 times 9. So 4 times 9 will equal 36. And we can see here, we get exactly 36. So to simplify this, we can say 4 fits 9 times into 36. So our final simplified answer will be a simple, whole, nice, clean-cut 9. This was basically the video, guys, on how to divide whole numbers by mixed numbers by converting to fraction, keep switch flipping the fractions, and then simplifying it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave any question in the comments if you have, and this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.